yeah, day 2 of my vlog, and it is currently, forgot the time. Hold on, 1 second. It's currently 10 in the morning, and I'm trying to get ready for the day. Currently, flat ironing my hair. Sorry for the voice, I just switch up sometimes. But yeah, I'm currently flat ironing my hair to get it back how it was, and then I will replenish my edges. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for now. As you can see, it moves, right? So today I don't know what I'm planning to do, so I'll check back in with y'all again later on. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog today, and I'll hope you like and subscribe, and yeah, hope you like and subscribe. So thank you for clicking on the video. Welcome to the station if you're new. Yes, the J Station is the name, because you know, J, get it? I don't know you get it. But yeah. This one's the more attention. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye. I'll see you. Yeah. See you guys. This time it's day 2, and I wanted to say a rundown of the day, and I give the day a 9 out of 10. Yeah. Tried to get a tan, but the sun really wasn't really out. But I did get to go in the pool, and as y'all saw, I did go in the pool and stuff, and it was great. It was good, you know, spending time with family and stuff. And ate Royal Castle today, and I'm trying to think. That's pretty much it. It was really a chill day, nothing too much, you know. But yeah, it's currently nighttime, and that's all I did for the day. That's why this video is gonna be put together with day 3, so it will be day 2 and 3, because it's a little short for day 2, so hopefully day 3 can take up some more space, because I am going to the beach. So yay, come to the beach with me. Hope you enjoyed the video though. Yeah, see you in the next one though. I'll do my other one, in the end in the other video. So it'll be like, make sure you like, subscribe, like, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you next day. See you tomorrow. Peace. Picked up my friend today as well, and that was the day, pretty much. Don't mind me cooking.